Today I'm going to tell you about how to butcher chickens. That red barn over there behind it is where the chickens are held. We're having a lot of fun today. You see the red truck? I'm going to lead you to the chopping block. Just a minute.
That would be great. You can just keep the clothes in a bag too. You don't have to wear them.
See, this is the chopping block, and these are the knives that we use. That one's the best one. And we don't have any. Here are chickens without their heads, so you can have a good look at them. And then we bring them over here to where you boil them so their feathers are easier to pluck off. There's one right out of the water. And you bring them over here and pluck out all their feathers. That's the plucking machine. See, you can see how it's done. Interesting, huh?
This is show and tell when she goes back to school.
Okay.
She's homeschooled, so I can't go too far.
Okay.
But you know what?
And then we put them in, soak them in this water. This is how they end up. But before we put them in the soaking or the water, we come over. Videos.
You got video going?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'll YouTube it.
Okay. And you see, these are the boards and the knives that we put the stuff and the cookie stuff.
There's a documentary.
So you can see that we're having a lot of fun here at the St. Hilary farm. Better head in and get a drink of water.